You might think you're doing okay, but what if I told you that some of your daily habits are silently holding you back? You wake up every day with big dreams, yet something keeps stopping you from reaching your full potential. The worst part? You don't even realize it. Stick around, because today we're exposing 7 toxic habits that could be destroying your future and how to fix them. Habit number 1, waiting for the right time. Let me be real with you. There is no perfect moment. Too many people sit around waiting for the stars to align before they take action. They say, "I'll start next week. I'll wait till I'm ready." Guess what? You'll never feel ready. The most successful people take action before they feel prepared. If you want to win in life, start now. Even if it's messy, even if you're scared, just start. Habit number 2, overconsumption of social media. Ever open your phone just to check one notification and suddenly an hour is gone? Yeah, we've all been there. Social media is designed to steal your time. The problem isn't using it, it's letting it control you. If you spend more time watching other people's lives than building your own, it's time for a change. Set limits, delete unnecessary apps, and focus on creating rather than just consuming. Habit number 3, seeking validation from others. Stop living for other people's approval. If you constantly worry about what others think, you'll never do anything bold. The truth is, people will judge you no matter what you do, so why not do what makes you happy? Successful people trust their own judgment. Be confident in your choices and stop waiting for permission. Habit number 4, procrastination. Disguised as planning. Listen, planning is great, but if you spend more time thinking about doing something than actually doing it, you're stuck in a trap. Perfectionism and overplanning are just fancy forms of procrastination. Instead of waiting until you have the perfect plan, focus on taking the first step. Action beats perfection every single time. Habit number 5, hanging around negative people. Look around at the 5 people you spend the most time with. Are they lifting you up or dragging you down? Negative, lazy, and toxic people will suck the energy right out of you. If you're serious about success, you need to surround yourself with people who challenge, inspire, and push you to be better. Energy is contagious. Choose wisely. Habit number 6, ignoring your health. Your mind and body are connected. You can't be mentally strong if you're constantly eating junk, never exercising, and barely sleeping. If you feel tired all the time, unmotivated, or foggy, your body is telling you something. Prioritize sleep, eat real food, and move your body daily. A sharp mind starts with a healthy body. Habit number 7, making excuses. This one is simple. You can have excuses or you can have results. Not both. Every time you blame your circumstances, your past, or your situation, you give away your power. Instead of saying, "I can't do this because," start saying, "How can I make this happen?" The moment you take full responsibility for your life, everything changes. Now that you know these 7 toxic habits, the real question is, which one are you guilty of? Be honest with yourself, because awareness is the first step to change. The good news, you can break these habits starting today. So don't just watch this video. Apply what you've learned. Your future self will thank you. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on self-improvement and success. See you in the next one.